What is a pressure controller? A pressure controller is a device that monitors and regulates the pressure of gases or liquids in a system to maintain it within a desired range. It can be used to switch equipment on-off, e.g., compressors, pumps based on pressure levels, provide alarms if pressure exceeds or falls below set limits, maintain stable pressure in industrial, HVAC, or hydraulic systems. Pressure controllers are commonly used in industries like oil and gas, water treatment, HVAC, and manufacturing. Inside a Honeywell pressure controller. Honeywell is a leading manufacturer of pressure controllers, and their devices typically contain the following key components. One is pressure sensor, sensing element. The diaphragm, bellows, or Bourdon tubing that flexes in response to pressure changes. In electronic models, strain gauge and/or piezoresistive sensor converts pressure into an electrical signal. The adjustment mechanism, set point control. The knob or screw to manually set the desired pressure. Threshold trip point. The switching mechanism, snap action switch or relay. Mechanical models use a microswitch that trips when pressure reaches the set point. Electronic models may use a solid-state relay for switching. The spring mechanism provides opposing force to the pressure sensor, determining when the switch activates. Housing and terminals. Enclosure, usually metal or plastic, with electrical terminals for wiring to the control system. Optional features depending on model. Differential adjustment for hysteresis control. Digital displays in advanced models. Pressure gauge for visual monitoring. How a Honeywell pressure controller works. Pressure application. Process pressure is applied to the sensing element, diaphragm, bellows. Force comparison. The pressure exerts force on the diaphragm, compressing a spring. Switch activation. When pressure reaches the set point, the diaphragm moves enough to trip the microswitch. The switch either opens or closes. An electrical circuit, no NC contacts. Force control action. If pressure is too high-low, the switch signals a pump valve to turn on-off. 5 when reset, hysteresis. The controller may have a deadband as differential to prevent rapid cycling. Example, air compressor control. When tank pressure drops below the C cut index setting, the switch closes, compressor starts. When pressure reaches the O cutout one setting, the switch opens, compressor stops. Types of Honeywell pressure controllers. Mechanical, pneumatic. Uses springs and diaphragms, e.g., Honeywell PSR series. Electronic. Uses transducers and digital control, e.g., Honeywell PPT series. Differential pressure. Monitors pressure difference across filters, valves. Would you like details on a specific Honeywell model?